Hello everyone, my name is Glenio and I'm here to show you how to emulate an Android device with Bluetooth driver using Oracle VirtualBox. So this Android is gonna have also a Voltcraft SEM6000 app because this is part of a project of BTLE Sniffing, Bluetooth Sniffing, using a Voltcraft smart plug and in our app dongle, NRF 52 840 dongle. So, but you can also use this same Android device for your own application. So, I'm gonna show you here quickly just my project in GitHub. If you want to do the same thing that I do, the same project of Bluetooth sniffing, you have all the guide here that I wrote in English and in French as well to do this BTLE sniffing. So if you want to follow, just go to my GitHub. I'm gonna put it in the description. So the first thing you have to do here is to go and download an Android ISO to your VirtualBox. So you're gonna search this link over here. I'm gonna put it on the description. Don't worry. And you're gonna search. Mine is a VirtualBox Android x86 9.0 R2 Pi. So you're gonna download the 64 bits format here. And the second thing, if you don't already have it, you have to download the VirtualBox. So we're gonna go to virtualbox.org and download for Windows, Macs, or any other operation systems that you have. So mine is Windows. I already have it downloaded, so not gonna download it here.
Okay, so after you successfully installed your VirtualBox, you're gonna open it. So gonna search for Oracle VirtualBox. I already have it here opened. So I already have my Android machines, and I'm gonna create with you a new one. So I'm gonna just close this. So you're gonna click on new to create a new machine. Gonna type your the name of your machine. Gonna call it my Android. As the ISO image, you're gonna search. If you don't have it here in the list, you're gonna search for the ISO image that you just downloaded. Android 64 bits. On type you leave as Linux. Subtype you click other Linux, and the version other Linux 64 bits. So as the hardware, gonna choose 4 megabytes. So my machine is gonna be a little bit quicker, and the processor is gonna put it 4 processors, the recommended. And as a hard disk, I recommend to put at least 10 gigabytes. And you're gonna click on finish. Um, First thing you're gonna do is go on settings and enable the bridge connection. So I'm gonna go on network and gonna select as adapter, enable network adapter and the bridge adapter. So I'm gonna leave it here. You can enable as well serial port. And here on the USB is the USB driver that you're gonna have to install on your virtual machine. So you're gonna select USB 3.0, and here on plus, so first you're gonna buy any of these Bluetooth adapter. I'm using the Edimax because it works really well, but it also have the reinforced EDR. Gonna put the description on the links on the description, don't worry. So I have the Edimax BT8500 Bluetooth key. You're gonna buy it, you're gonna plug on your PC, and you're gonna follow the steps on the manual to install the driver on your Windows PC or on your host PC. After you successfully installed the driver on your host PC, you're gonna go back to VirtualBox and the settings. You're gonna go on USB and click on plus. So here you're gonna see the Edimax technology, for example. There's one that you don't have here, so I'm gonna unplug it and plug it again. So here, the Realtek Edimax Bluetooth adapter, you're gonna select this one, select as well. So this Intel Corp is the built-in Bluetooth driver on your PC. Gonna put it also. You don't actually need it, but it's recommended that you uh, disable your Bluetooth on your host PC to make your Bluetooth on your machine to work. So I'm gonna also select the Edimax. So I have my tree and gonna click OK. And now you can start your machine. Gonna click on start, wait for a few seconds. As your machine power up, you're gonna see some options. So here you have the run Android without installation and this install Android. But we can gonna go on advanced option and live CD Visa mode. The difference is that live CD Visa mode is the only one that I found that works with Bluetooth, with external Bluetooth. I didn't manage to make the Bluetooth work on the Android installation, so the normal installation Android. If you have any idea on how to make it work with the normal installation, just put it on the comment, please. Then I can optimize my product. But for now, I'm gonna use the Live CD Visa mode. Gonna press enter and press space. So now you're gonna wait until your machine starts, and you're gonna see the nice Android interface, just like a tablet, just like a physical tablet. Gonna wait just for a few seconds and I'm gonna go back when it's open. Once your Android machine started, you're gonna see the nice and beautiful Android interface. You can just select start and gonna configure do all the steps of the installation of the Android. To select the Wi-Fi, go to see all Wi-Fi networks. Gonna click convert Wi-Fi. And now this can take a while, so I'm gonna go back when it's over, just connecting the Wi-Fi. And we're back. So after checking for the updates, you're gonna click on don't copy. And on this step, you're gonna have to log in on your Google account. So I'm gonna stop the video now for obvious reasons and gonna go back when I'm logged in. So once you have logged in on your Google account, you're gonna have to select some options. So here is logging in. So after you tap your user and your password, is gonna log in onto your Google account. Just wait for a few seconds and now you can click on next. You can unselect the backup and the diagnostic data and go on more and accept. Not gonna choose a password, but you can do it if you want to. And this is for the final step. No thanks. Gonna choose quick step always. And perfect. So here you have your Android tablet. You can see that is exactly as an Android. So you can, for example, go on options here using your mouse. So not click on options and you have all your Play Store and etc. So to add Bluetooth, what you have to do is first is click on devices on VirtualBox. You can click on the left, on the right control to pass on your mouse to your host mouse. So you're gonna go on USB, and here you're gonna select. So if you don't have it here, you can just plug and unplug your Edimax Bluetooth adapter. So here you're gonna select a Realtek or Realte in my case. And the next step you're gonna have to do is go on your configurations. So settings, gonna go. You have to check your Wi-Fi IP address. So you're gonna go on Wi-Fi, settings, advanced. So here have your IP address 192.168.1.40, and on your host machine you're gonna go to Windows C, Program Files, Android, Android SDK, Platform Tools, and open CMD here. So CMD, and you're gonna tap ADB Connect and the IP address of her virtual machine. So 192.168.140, 192.168.140. Gonna press enter. So now it's connected, and you can go back to your virtual machine here, and you can check your Bluetooth. So click on Bluetooth, and now it's connected. You can see that your Bluetooth is successfully connecting, and you can also check and pair to devices if you have devices close to you. For example, I have some devices here, so you can see that your Bluetooth is working fine. And that's all for your Androids, emulated Android with Bluetooth. So everything is working, and you can end the video now if you don't want to know how to install the Voltcraft SNE6000 for Bluetooth sniffing. But don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. And for those who are still here, I'm gonna show you how to install the Voltcraft app and how to connect it to a Voltcraft smart plug. So if you're sometimes on the Android, emulated Android, the Play Store doesn't work. We're gonna see it here. If the Play Store is working. So in my case, the Play Store is not working. So what you're gonna have to do is to download the APK. You can go on Google, continue, continue. Yeah, I got it. And you're gonna search for Voltcraft. Oh, sorry, Voltcraft SME6000. You're gonna search for the app. So here, you're gonna click on install. You're gonna take you to the Play Store, and now it's gonna to work. So you're gonna click on install, install, wait for a few seconds until installed. And you can open your app. So okay, allow, and it's gonna search for your devices. So here in my room, I don't have any Voltcraft smart plug, but if you have it, gonna show it here, and you have your app running and working as a charm. So if you want to do the Bluetooth LE sniffing, you can follow my GitHub steps here, showing, explaining how to install it and use it. And you're gonna need the NRF 52840 dongle or DK, and the Voltcraft smart plug. I'm gonna put all the links in the description. The last thing before ending this video the is the little detail. So as we are in the live CD visa, if you want to close your app and your machine, you have to select the save the machine state, because if you select the power off the machine, it's gonna lose all your configurations and you have to do all over again. So save the machine state, then you can click OK. Wait for a few seconds, it's gonna save your machine state and just gonna froze your machine. And you're gonna see after it's closed, you're gonna see on your Oracle VirtualBox the state saved here. And that's it for the video. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in the comments. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.